The gig economy gives you freedom, but if you're not careful, it can quietly keep you broke. By the end of this video, you will know why gig money never seems to stay. I will talk about how to turn a side hustle income into real financial progress, not just extra spending money. More importantly, I will talk about financial traps of the gig economy and how to escape them. Do you know that more than 30% of people who work in America have a second side hustle income? In the UK, statistics reveal average income of a side hustle is an impressive £22,000. If you're new here, I'm Isabel, a certified chartered accountant with more than a decade of work experience in the financial services sector, and I'm also an entrepreneur. I've worked with numbers professionally, and I've also earned money through gigs. The problem is not that you don't earn money or you don't earn enough. Is that gig money feels temporary, so we treat it casually. The "it's okay, another gig" trap is coming is the problem, and it's the mindset that entrepreneurs to feel broke because gig money doesn't feel permanent. There is no pay slip, there is no structure, and you earn more, but you don't build surplus. You work long hours, but your financial position doesn't change. So psychologically, we don't protect it. This is why many people work non-stop but never build surplus. Income without surplus is not wealth. It's just busy cash flow. Let's talk about the real numbers. Let me give you a practical example. Let's say you earn how much? 1.2 per month from your 9 to 5 after tax. And you also have a side hustle, maybe consulting, freelancing, tutoring, or online services. And you earn an average of $600 per month. So your total money from your side hustle is 1.8. That sounds great. And here's where the trip starts. The side hustle feels like extra. And what happens? Your salary goes to the rent, transport, and bills. Then the side hustle money goes to upgrades, eating out, gadgets, better phones, weekend trips. And I deserve this kind of spending. And the thinking is, it's okay, another gig is coming. Now let's break it down properly. Side hustle income is $600, right? Platform fees, let's say it's about $90, and you need transport of about $100. So your actual surplus is actually $400. Most people don't save or invest that $400. They spend it, and it doesn't feel permanent. So at the end of the month, you have zero savings, no buffer, but you have spent some energy and you do not get money for it. That could have been an emergency fund or a capital for a small business, or you could have used that $400 to clear a debt or just invest the money. Instead, it disappears quietly. Can you imagine all the effort that you have put and you don't get anything out of it? Gig income is irregular, but your expenses are very regular. Rent doesn't care that clients delayed payment. Data, transport, and subscriptions, they don't pause. Without planning, one bad month wipes out 3 good ones. Let's talk about the hidden costs that come with gigs and the gig economy. Most gigs come with silent deductions like the platform fees, the withdrawal charges, currency conversion losses, data costs, maybe transport. What looks good on paper shrinks fast in real life. If you have ever wondered where your gig money went, like this video and share a comment with me. Also subscribe for honest money conversations for professionals building on the side. Let's talk about how to avoid the gig economy financial traps. The first rule is gig income is not spending money by default. Create a separate account or wallet. That separation alone changes your behavior. Even if the gig is irregular, your withdrawal should not be. Dedicate, maybe you can make a decision to say 40% of the gig income is for my personal expenses. The rest you can reinvest. Your emergency fund should not rely only on your 9 to 5. Use the side hustle income to pay some expenses. Gig income feels informal, but tax authorities don't see it that way. Put money aside as soon as you get paid. Future you will thank you. The goal is not always to chase after the next gig. The goal is to stabilize income, to reduce burnout, and create options. The gig economy is powerful, but without structure, it becomes a trap. With structure, it becomes a bridge from survival to stability, from stability to freedom. And always, I'm here to cheer you on your financial journey. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.